Alright guys, in this video I will show you how to fix a boot loop problem when your phone gets stuck after enabling Force Using OverlayFS. And don't worry, it's really simple and only takes a few steps. So first, turn off your phone, then power it back on while holding the button combo to enter recovery mode, whatever you use like TWRP or Orange Fox, and then go to your file manager inside the recovery and then go to the data ADB and look for the folder called AP and then file called APD and just delete these two, delete, and then reboot to your system. After the phone is getting back normal, you just open the Apatch and then disable Force Using OverlayFS, and that's it. Restart the phone and you can continue to install the APM module, and yeah, that's it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips, and see you in the next video. And I'm sorry for my bad English, guys. Alright, see you guys.